morning everybody, this is Pramod Jaiswal. I hope you would have liked my previous videos, and please, if you like, do share and subscribe for me. Today I am going to start Participle. So infinitive we have already discussed to infinitive, that is also a part of non-finite. So what is a participle? This is verb plus adjective. How the word acts as verb as well as adjective. For example, I saw a boy. He was climbing a tree. So was climbing is finite verb. This becomes separate clause. If I want to join to make it a phrase, I saw a boy climbing a tree. Now you see this climbing, there is no was, so this is not pure finite verb. This becomes non-finite and it behaves as phrase. Moreover, as this tells about nouns, so it behaves as adjective, and as it is a action word, so it behaves as verb. So verb plus adjective becomes participle. You see, this is such an important thing in the literature as well as grammar, that usage of participle. Obviously, this is used in grammar sections, also find the errors, and it improves your standard of literature as well, the flow. Now, I'll give you some examples how it. First one is that behaves as adjective and participle. Now see, he was my partner. He deceived me. Now how to join with using a participle? So this was becomes being. He, being my partner, deceived me. One more, you find that both the subjects are the same. Then only we can join. Otherwise, there is a difference in the sense. And he, being, here behaves as participle because this relates to pronoun he, so it behaves as adjective. And it is a form of verb, so it also behaves as verb. So both together becomes a participle. Now what I want to say in the previous example also, that both subjects are he, and both the actions takes place. When both the action takes place at the same time, then we use present participle. Now I shall give further examples. You see, the thief saw the policeman. The thief ran away. Now here, in both the sentences, the subjects are common. The thief. So, when the subjects are common, then only we can use participle properly. Otherwise, it will be a misunderstanding and construction of the sentence. So we can use the thief seeing the policeman ran away. You see here, this can be called as an adjective phrase because seeing becomes a non-finite verb, and as seeing tells about the thief, it behaves as adjective. Plus, this is action word, so it also behaves as so adjective verb is. Now, what the thing is, what the point of thinking is that attention is that both the actions are taking place at the same time. Same time. Both the subjects are same. Both subjects are same. So, in such cases, we use present participle. I'll give you another example. But for instance, if I say crossing the lawn, a snake bit me. Now you are crossing the lawn. If I break this sentence in two parts, because snake is the subject of this sentence, so obviously the subject of this sentence should be snake. So how would we construct the sentence? A snake was crossing the lawn a snake bit me. But this is incorrect because snake was not crossing the lawn. So the sentence structure is error. This sort of questions come in the examination. So what we have to do is that both the subjects should be same. So the construction should be crossing the lawn. I was bitten by a snake. Now here I is subject and I here the subject is I. Then the construction of the sentence is okay. Now another example. Sometimes these are easy ones, but sometimes the tough ones come. For example, hearing the news. We rushed out. Now here to find out how hearing behaves as adjective is tough. In the previous example I gave you, I saw a boy climbing a tree. So it was direct climbing, it relates to boy. But here there is no direct relationship. So if we break up this sentence in mind, we will write like this: we heard the noise. It should be not news, it should be noise. We rushed out. Now in this construction we see that both the subjects are the same. Thus the construction hearing the noise, we rushed out, this behaves as participle, and that too present participle, because both the subjects are same and both the action taking place at the same time. So this is enough for today. We shall continue this class in the next video. If you like my teaching skill, please like, share, and if you want that I should be instigated and provoked, please subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.